wanna take a
What's up, Slimy?
What's up, my boys?
What's up, what's up? We're at the Anime Expo.
Day one to you guys. Day one.
Day one, man.
We just had to get the intro at the right time. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, the whole 4 days, all the stuff we got. Don't slack. Make sure you guys follow all the socials, like the video, and comment.
Like the socials, man. Don't miss out.
We're gonna show you guys inside a little bit right now.
Go ahead.
We're here. Woo! So get ready. This whole video is gonna be packed. It's got a whole lot of crazy stuff going on. You guys are not gonna wanna skip any of it. Trust.
Don't skip it, man. Don't skip it.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you guys at the end and have a little chat with you guys. You guys have to tell you guys.
A lot of goodies, man. A lot of goodies. Don't miss out, Slimy. Don't miss out. Yeah?
Yeah. We've made it.
This is where all of our hard earnings go away.
Muy guarro.
No, they put initial D on this. What the fuck?
You barely noticed? Huh?
I'm looking for someone's bag to be open, so I could throw this in it.
My man's feeling like a menace today.
I'm looking. I'm gonna go. Where did they come back?
To be honest, it's fucking hot. Está caliente.
We're looking for a beanie to replace.
What's a sweat, man?
Oh, you know what you do with these?
What?
Like you're supposed to take it home,
Yeah.
but only you. And then you go like to the bathroom or something, and you put this end up your butt.
No, it's right here. Yeah. We're in that. Dude. Like Kakashi.
These are actually kind of cool.
Dude, you should get the art.
Yeah.
What'd you get, my boy?
I got a sling bag. A green one.
Okay, okay.
And a beanie with cat ears. This style is hard.
What the frick is that? That is strong cat.
Strong arm cat. The dissected Astro.
Yo, that goes tough. I ain't gonna cap.
Look at it.
That goes hard, bro. They're all gone too.
What the hell?
What just happened? What just happened?
I don't know, bro. You saw that, right? That shit just fell off. I did not break that. I did not break that.
Hopefully I caught it.
Bro, that shit just fucking lopped off. At first I was like, oh, these heads are positionable. And it... Both of them.
Yeah.
Both of these.
Crazy, man, I tell ya.
SlimeSZN, which one you gonna get though?
You got a what, my man?
A sling bag. This is hard,
This is tough.
Feel it. It's like good ass material.
Oh my god, that actually feels nice.
I'm gonna make it a daily.
Yeah, it feels nice, bro.
Like whenever we get like slime season patches, I'm just gonna sew it right here.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
But I'm gonna make this a daily. There's only like 120 bucks now.
just a leg and arm, huh?
I think it was like what, 55? Like 55. It's not bad though, but material is really good, trust me. It's really good.
Packed as fuck. Aquí andamos lately.
About to get some AX merch. Cause they always run out on the other days, so you gotta get it the first day. A little pro tip for you guys. We're gonna get some Mexican food.
Some tacos.
Some tacos de birria.
Ooh.
No, you don't.
Oh hell no, that's a domestic beach right there. See what you get.
I can't wait. No. And I can already tell it's not the skateboarder one. That's cool. That's fire. Yo,
So
we're gonna have to
sick,
go
dude.
back tomorrow.
We have to.
We're gonna get bored.
I don't know where we're going to, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some food or something right after this. We got some goodies.
But then I was like, oh, I banged your mom. Can't. What I did to fuck around with him was I turned back immediately and I went like this. Hi, my name's not Eric. And he's like, he just like, his eyes went all bug-eyed and he just like walked around me and it was like, Eric.
He was good.
But I was fucking with hella people today. Like people who would bump into me, I was like, get the fuck out of my way. But I'd whisper it into their ears.
Man's just being a menace to the angle cap, angle cap.
Or like whenever they'd brush past me, I would whisper in their ear, you wanna leave, you wanna leave, you wanna leave. Too many people, too many people.
You're like, wake up, wake up.
Okay, I don't have that paper ball, so you know what I did with it.
You put in so many shit.
Yeah. It was someone bumped into me, so like I'm not gonna lie, I kind of raged a little. And I turned around and I was about to like pull his bag or something, but I was like, you know what? So I went like that and dropped the shit. And I just kept going. This is that new room drip.
Crazy, man, crazy. Oh! Yo!
Does it look weird on me?
Nah, you rock it, bro.
I've always wanted ears because I felt like I could rock it. Yeah.
What you gonna do?
The fire one.
Ooh.
Which is this one right here.
Tail.
I wanted this one. So I got her this, because if you guys don't know, I call her Egg. That's my nickname for her, so I like getting her things with eggs on them. That's actually kind of cold. Yo, bro's like, that's hard. Little elephant. Nah, that's hard. Nah, the card is a spoiler.
Wait, really?
Okay, this is hard, Eee, that shit's tough.
The purple way go tough. Is this a candy? Wait, is this a candy?
Is it?
It's the candy!
The Yo! No!
No way!
Yo!
Dude!
like some sort of like rare-ish one, no? Because
I think we seen it right there.
Those were like, I know they're, well, they had the full set right there.
Yeah.
Or see, I think it's that one, colorful streamer, or galaxy set. Maybe just look them up.
Like, yeah, okay, we'll look him up.
Yo, it's like,
That shit
you
looks
guys
sick.
have no idea. Like, me and Junior were like standing there, and when we saw this, we were like, bro, this looks like the slime monster, and like, and a little bit of Gengar. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of Gengar in the back.
Yeah, a little Gengar.
but it looks hard. Like, this is some shit like slime. Imagine if one day we start making vinyl toys or something, we can use some sort like shit like this as inspo. Cause the whole dissect thing, I mean, don't get me wrong, this is fire. I love this. I'm gonna get more. But the whole dissect thing is, it don't belong to no specific company. So that we could definitely make it happen. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, but this. Nah, this isn't the one I wanted, but I'm glad I got it because it's more green than I thought it was gonna be. Like, adding the gun was such a good touch. Because with the big ones, that's what you see. Like, you see her fucking holding up the gun and shit. Have you got anything on the back of your helmet?
Nah,
Let's see.
just plain.
Just a little logo.
Oh shit, it is a logo.
Space Molly logo. Oh, her head comes off.
Yo!
I'm about to munch on right now.
Some good ass tacos. Nah, I don't even know if they're good. I'm just gonna be like,
We'll probably see you guys for day 2, unless we throw another clip in. But if not, we'll see you for day 2, baby.
Day 2, man.
Look at this shit, Slimy. This is not reverse footage, I promise. Woo!
Oh my god.
Bro, what the fuck? Nah, he's got it. What's up, Slimy? Day 2. Day 2 out here. We gotta get more photos though of us together, and then like me and my girl together, like, and all of us together. For the website, we need more pictures of us like together.
True. Yeah. Facts. Day segundo, man.
Hold up. I got that thing on me.
Oh shit, my bad.
So all I gotta do is boom, 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 boom. Fuck.
What?
I forgot to put my 3 AKs and my 2 Glocks away.
These sisters down there.
There you go.
Thank you.
You made it.
Oh.
Nip slip.
Yo.
You better chill before I start acting like that one guy on TikTok where he's like, acts like he don't know who his cameraman is. Have you seen that shit?
Yeah.
Funny. I'm gonna get you in trouble. I swear to God. Oh, I gotta get one. That's Zico right there to the right, to your left. That's crazy. I got the hoodie too,
You got
the
this.
blue one. Ooh. And the inside of the hoodie is pink. Defeated the boss.
Reading about it.
I fuck with it. Nah, this is hard. Don't forget the headset.
Nah, I don't even know headset.
It sounds glitchy anyways.
Yeah.
The 3 evolution.
moment.
What do you think, my boy?
Good, that was a good game, But I guess, you know, I took a L. Unmajor,
Hey,
unmajor.
once he showed me how to play, that's a wrap.
Good game though, good game.
I've never played the Storm games before, but that shit made me like fall in love already.
De segundo.
June's got whooped. Once he showed me how to play, y'all saw that. I don't know if y'all saw that. You're gonna have to go to my vlog to see for the BTS, but half of the first round he's laughing, bro. And then he finally tells me how to fucking fight at the end.
Low key in the beginning, I was whooping his ass, so I was going easy. But then when
He was literally like, damn. Well, I'll probably use most of the footage of us playing it from my GoPro. We'll probably use it for this video actually. So you guys will see it.
W game though, W game. That's all I gotta say.
I can't wait. You guys are probably gonna see me
Some
streaming.
streams. Woo.
I'm gonna look up when it comes out. I gotta look out when it comes out.
Convention, man. Hella sick, hella sick. Day 2, going mucho bueno.
Damn, it just says in 2023. You gotta get yourself. You didn't bring them up?
Okay, what?
All your little...
Junes. Junes. Damn.
Okay, yo, I'm looking for that SpongeBob one. I could care less about the rest of them.
Okay.
Oh shit, it's a Christmas one, bro. This is sick.
You see? Yo. Let's go. Yo!
No, that's crazy, bro.
Damn, the one that I wanted. Why? Chill, bro.
Yo,
Yo.
that's crazy. I am jelly.
Oh, I also got this chat. It's like I don't know, they had it there and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it.
A little collectible.
Yeah, it's like a collectible.
What the fuck is this? This is tough. I'm letting it go.
Is that the Keith Haring? That's the Keith Haring one, I think.
I don't even know what it is, but that shit looks sick.
Nah, that's the Keith Haring one. That's fire. That one's hella colorful.
Look at the back.
Oh, I like that. You guys got it.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
It comes with little slime things.
Yo!
Like extras. That one's the last one? Guess what you think it is real quick. Cause you guessed the panda earlier. Like we should have got it on the vlog, but you guessed the panda. What do you think it's gonna be?
You got what was it? Like another one of these like baggy thingies?
Yeah, it was
Sticky
like a bag clip. Oh here, I'll show you that real quick. It's one of these bag clips. So I have a panda one that's on my lanyard for my badge. And right before I pulled it out, he was like, I better see panda. And it was panda. That shit was crazy. We were like, what the fuck?
Watermelon! Man.
Nah, you don't have that though. You don't have that for your collection.
Yeah.
Nah, that's tough. You don't have that for him, so that's not a duplicate. I have that one. I think you guys saw it.
No dupes yet. No dupes.
Pulled it earlier in the vlog from day one. But
You guys are gonna see it either way, so.
that's not a dupe because it's not in your collection. So
No
there we
dupes.
go. All right, that's all of my space ones. I don't have no more space ones. We're gonna do. I got some like slime monster ones that we did yesterday. So here we go. Oh.
Oh snap.
Yo. The Keith Haring.
Damn.
Bro, if only you knew someone who needed that shit.
If only there was a giveaway going on. Okay. Yo. I don't know what I want yet. What is it? No, it's got the same one.
Not bad. It kind of gives
looks
me,
sick.
It gives me like Paris vibes.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't have this one. It's like a bear.
Ooh. The green guard. Ooh. June's be ducking, bro.
Okay. Alright, this one. This one's the good one. This is Baby Molly, but in like a different. It says Molly X Extinction. I don't know too much like the background of it and all that, but this is different series of Molly than the space one. So this is a whole different one, but it's like her in like dino suits. You guys already know which one we want, the green one. Green or blue? I'm not gonna be mad.
That's tough.
Yeah, that was cool.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, finally, I gotta also show you guys the other stuff I got. So I got a jet tag. I got the Molly I showed you guys earlier. Egg piggy bank. Waifu cup from Gamer Subs.
Yes,
Gamer
sir. Yes,
Subs,
sir.
if you're watching this, you should sponsor SlimeSZN. That's all I'm gonna say. And then we got this cute little Pochita thing, bro. Look at this. So you put the little magnet and you put it in your shirt somewhere. And then you put him on the magnet. It's kind of like the Groot one from Disneyland, if you guys seen those before. SlimeSZN has recently got hella into Yami, you know. I'm not gonna say we've been like OG fans, but we really like Yami. We play her music. If you guys know my vlogs over on my channel, you might see a little Yami in the background, a little Easter egg. My boy Junes has been putting that in there. We were walking around and lo and behold, we come across the Ocean World booth, bro. So I had to cut me a sweater. The hoodie got pink inside. Bro, this is like a really good quality sweater too. Like, I can't explain to you guys how thick this is. But you feel me? We got a Yami hoodie. But that's not all. That's not all. We got a Yami plushie. You feel me? You feel me? Hey, but that's not all either. That's not all either. That's not all. Let's see what I got in my little bag. Another one?
Yummy.
Yo with it. Stick with it. Hey. And that's not even all either. When we were there, I had my boy Junes put the clip. Deco was there as well. Like the person who's like runs it all, does it all. Like he was there. We didn't go fanboy and go talk to him or nothing. But he was there and we saw him. It was hella chill. He had like, it was like the booth was so far. It was like Yami's room and there was like arcade machines and like a virtual like dancing game. It was fire. It was so fire. But we're gonna go tomorrow and if he's there, then we'll probably ask for a picture. But we didn't want a fanboy and I was like shy. Like I didn't want to like be bugging.
There's nothing wrong with that,
But there's nothing wrong with that at all. It's just like I'm a shy person. You guys know that. So I just don't like doing that at all. But you know, we were talking about it. We're just gonna do it tomorrow. If we see him, we're definitely gonna cop a picture.
it's a must.
But I think that's about it, Simon. Yeah, I mean, we'll just see what the rest of this vlog takes us. We're about a month right now, actually.
Day 2 was a success, I would say.
Yo. What day is it, man?
Day 3.
Day 3.
Day trust. Day trust.
3, baby. Huh?
So where are we going? The what?
For the car.
Oh yeah, we gotta look for the car, man. Some giveaway goodies, you know.
Holy. And you do a voiceover and be like, I had the worst experience. Or we can use it to put it in when we're talking about it in the outro. There you go. Yo.
It is so packed in the artist alley, valley, alley, artist alley, bro. Hella packed. I ain't gonna cap. Holy shit.
Okay, these are your cheeks. That's me. These are your cheeks.
Okay, I'm just mad and I want to take that 1v1 again, man. I want to run it again. Last dia del Anime Expo. Sir, yes sir. Wait, what are we gonna hit first? The artist alley or what are we gonna do? Forgot. Anyways, one last time at the expo. I wish I knew you wanted me.
It is crazy empty, bro. The last day.
Aesthetic, fire, fire.
Oh, look at the bags. Look at the bags.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Alright, that's Mika.
Man's is wildin'. Okay, buddy. What?
Deadass, you could just take one like off the thing and just walk away and they wouldn't even notice. I was looking at the guy over there and he was just looking on his phone and was like, deadass.
So what he's saying is we could be on menace mode, right? You wait.
Do you know anywhere else?
He's opening it. He's opening it. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Knew it. I knew it.
He called it up, man.
This is the one I wanted. Oh, I love her. Goodbye, Anime Expo. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anime Expo.
Snap up the boys. I don't know you're dipping.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
You gotta go dap him up.
Gotta say this to my boy.
Hey, no touching, no touching. Set him up. We set him up.
Oh, they're still done it. He wants to see me locked up, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh! Oh! Okay, okay.
Hey, but he really did dap up his boy though.
Bro, I had to say lace to the homie. What's up?
Hey, dap up his head. So meat, so meat.
We gotta go, bro.
If you guys don't know what tower we're talking about because it's not there, but there's a tower. I can't speak on it no more though. I have a plan that I can't tell you right now because the haters will sabotage. The haters will sabotage my plan. Something like that. People that like remind me of like this guy right here. Like from far, like I just keep seeing hella people like, bro, there was one person that was working in there. I deadass had to like triple check because I was like, I deadass thought I saw him again like for a second. Like that shit was crazy.
So
Like,
you
what
saw his
the
doppelganger?
fuck? Yes, it was like his doppelganger, but like maybe like 3 years older. I was like, shit. No, RP our boy Bob.
On God,
Still
on
miss him,
God.
we love him. We out here doing this grind for him.
What's up, SlimeSZN, and welcome to the outro.
We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a wild 4 days. I don't know if you guys saw on
Crazy,
social medias and stuff. It was insanely packed. What'd you think, my boy? What'd you think about it? Like your point of view from like how
Dude,
packed
it felt suffocating as heck, man. Like it felt very suffocating. Like it was hot. Like it wasn't good for like all the people and stuff. Like all that body heat. Oh my god, bro.
It's 100% facts when they say it smells at anime.
It was
awful.
smelly.
There were times where I had to like pull my shirt over because that shit was disgusting. Oof.
Damn.
But I also do want to say it wasn't as bad as a lot of the medias were making it seem to be. Like it was really bad the first day,
First day was
but
hell.
the rest of the days it was super easy. Like it wasn't even that bad. But another thing is we saw people were waiting in lines for hella hours and shit when we just walked straight up to the.
You know, if you're a little Anime Expo veteran, you know, you could just cut in the lines, you
walk
know.
straight
Just
up.
make sure the security guards don't see you and, you know, you're cool. You're cool. And
Mhm.
yeah, just, you don't gotta wait for no lines, you know.
That is big
No
fact.
3-hour lines just for an entrance, you know.
We also want to announce that we're going to be, as soon as this vlog goes up, in the Discord at discord.gg/SlimeSZN right here. Don't forget. But as soon as this vlog is posted, we're going to post a giveaway. We got 4 different
Don't miss
items
out, don't miss out.
that we're giving away. And we'll put the 4 pictures right here of the items that we're going to be giving away. So we're going to have 4 different winners, 4 different things. And we just wanted to give back to you guys. And we wanted something for you guys to have a piece of Anime Expo and it being a piece of SlimeSZN at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
So shit, we had to plug in that Discord, you feel me? And
Yes, sir.
So you have anything else to say, my boy?
Don't forget to check out the YouTube channels, you know. We got our Percy's behind the scenes and stuff, you know, from both our POVs.
Yeah, we got a whole lot of
You know?
content done this weekend. I'm not going this weekend. It's 4 days, but
There's gonna be
we got a
like,
lot done.
yeah, a good amount of videos for you guys to watch. See how SlimeSZN is doing.
Well, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget, all the links are down below. Go support Junes, go support me, and support the SlimeSZN ones. We know it's a lot, but it helps a lot more. And remember, everybody,
SlimeSZN.
spread slime,
Not hate.
We love you guys. Peace out.
Mwah.